Black holes, the arcs of the universe. In 100 trillion years, when the last of the stars has died, black holes will be the only sources of energy left in the universe. Any life forms which are somehow still alive will be forced to move to a world in orbit around black holes. And any life forms yet to emerge will do so on these planets too. At this point, the cosmic background radiation of the universe will have faded to nothing. The only way life and energy can be generated is through the accretion of matter by a black hole, as when gas, rock, or cheesecake falls in, it superheats, and it forms a wonderful, life-giving glow. This is how humans might use black holes as power sources in the future, as by slinging in matter we don't need, like trash, Neptune, or Shia Laboeuf, we can stimulate a black hole further and force it to expel more energy. In their paper, Life Under a Black Sun, Opatrny, Richterek and Bakala believe that advanced civilizations may construct a Dyson Sphere around black holes rather than suns, with the amount of energy put out several times more than we need to power the Earth. A Dyson Sphere is basically a big shell which would capture all the energy expelled by a black hole or a star, and the infrared radiation emitted by such a scheme would be observable by observatories here on Earth. However, if we ever did create such a structure, we should perform due diligence on the black hole first, because, for all we know, there may be life within this seemingly unforgiving void. Vyacheslav Dokuchaev is a cosmologist at Moscow's Institute of Nuclear Research of the Russian Academy of Sciences. In 2011, Dokuchaev published a paper which noted that the internal structure of black holes was complex enough to allow photons, particles, and maybe even planets to exist inside them. Such planets, if they did exist, would orbit the black hole's central singularity without ever being sucked all the way in. Dokuchaev also believes that such a world would be habitable, and that advanced civilizations may live in secrecy within the supermassive black holes at the heart of our universe's galaxies. So, if mankind ever gets to a point where we're able to harness the power of a black hole, we may want to check inside before we annoy a race of hyper-advanced super beings. And when the very last of the stars burns out in 100 trillion years, it is perhaps within these supermassive black holes where life may find a way to continue.